Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a USB stick on your Samsung TV, and we're going to be playing a video, an MP4. So there's a little USB port around the back of the TV. Let's plug this in. So this is a Samsung 7 Series TV, and this is a USB port here. I'm just plugging it in like so, and then we need to come round to the front of the TV. Now it will come up here that it's recognised a new device, but don't worry, you can go browse straight from there, but it only gives you about 15 seconds or so before that disappears. Now I'm going to show you what to do with the remote control to get into the USB. Now if your remote control has a source button, you can just press that. If not, you can just go to the home button and work your way to source. So I'm just going to quickly show you. If I press source now, it's going to bring it up and you can see Ultra. It's this one just here. If you haven't got that button because you're using a newer style remote control, I'm going to show you how to do it. Just go to home and then you can use the menu down here, and that's the source button there on screen. You can see what it looks like with the little arrow, and then enter into that and it will come up with, for example, your PlayStation 4 if it's plugged in, your Xbox if it's plugged in. In this instance here, we've plugged in the Ultra into the USB, so we're just going to enter into that. Obviously on your PlayStation, Xbox, they're going to be plugged into HDMI, not USB. And then you're going to move along and you're going to have the video that you want to play. So if you want to play this video here, just go over it and press enter. And now you can hear that that's working. We have a few different options. We can fast forward, or you can rewind. You can pause, and you can also skip to the next video. Like so. Then when you're finished, you can just press return and you can press return again, and it will ask you, do you want to exit? Enter OK, and that's it. We're back to normal now. Now if you want to use the USB stick on something else, then we're just going to unplug it from the back. There doesn't seem to be a safe way to unplug it. So if I was to go to source, often you can go to the stick itself, go up, and it will say remove device. In this instance, we can't do it from here, and we also can't do it from the settings as well. So you have no option than just to unplug it from the back. So I'm just unplugging it, and it will recognize now that it's been unplugged, and it says the device has been disconnected, and it will just go away in a few minutes, or you can just hit OK. So that's it. That's how to use this. If you're really worried about unplugging it when it's live, you can always shut down your TV first and then unplug it after that. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.